Finally, the longer waited for is here. Guess what? It is the rain. This afternoon, you could see the joy of all living beings, including the plants, including the grass, the hens, the cocks, the goats, name it, human beings. It has been very hot lately. The grass, woo, you could see the ground was becoming too brown and the green was disappearing. Today, I really came to appreciate that rain is very important. I have always known that the rain is very important, but this time around, I don't know how much I do appreciate this and know this. My goodness. When it started raining, the excitement, because the ground was beginning to feel so bare and so hot, even for the animals that depend on grass. You see those goats? You see those goats? Or let me say the kids, the young ones of the goat. The hens, they've been looking for green grass and they were getting irritated. Now this time around, I hope they will be happy again. You know, we depend so much on the green for so many things, but also our animals, okay, the livestock. And remember, we also depend on our livestock for food. So when they are frustrated, for sure, we also can't be happy. And also our homes, they were getting so hot. In the night, some of us would fail to get a good night's sleep because it was so hot. But now you feel that the homes will be homes again. The rain is so important. Wow.